There's a shadow sitting on this runway that shouldn't be there. No engine noise, no obvious heat signature, and according to the radar system watching from the edge of the airfield, nothing is there at all. They call it the ghost. And if this is what luxury looks like in 2026, then luxury has become something very different. Step inside. The first thing you expect to see is a dashboard, a digital screen, maybe a traditional instrument cluster. But there isn't one. Instead, the entire windshield becomes your interface. A full-width holographic HUD projects critical information directly into your field of vision, keeping everything exactly where your eyes naturally look. No searching, no distractions. You never have to look down. Even the seats are completely different. Forget conventional leather. The Ghost uses advanced 3D printed biometric mesh designed to monitor your body in real time. As you drive, the seating surface adapts to your shape, your posture, and your movements. Every journey becomes personalized. And then there are the mirrors. They're gone. Instead, ultra-high resolution cameras are integrated seamlessly into the bodywork, sending a live view directly to the windshield display. The result is a cleaner silhouette, less aerodynamic drag, and an exterior that looks almost impossibly smooth. But the most controversial feature is the surface itself. The Ghost is imagined with an ultra-dark graphene-based composite inspired by advanced light-absorbing materials. The goal isn't simply to look black, it's to absorb light, minimize reflections, and dramatically reduce the vehicle's visual signature. To some, it's a genuine masterpiece, a machine built by engineers determined to push material science beyond conventional automotive design. To others, it looks like a luxury escape pod for the world's most powerful people. Radar reduction, shielded electronics, no visible branding. At some point, it stops being just engineering. It becomes a statement. And perhaps that's exactly the point. Underneath the bodywork is where things get even more interesting. The Ghost isn't imagined as a conventional electric vehicle. Instead, it uses a futuristic solid-state hydrogen hybrid. At lower speeds, the car moves almost silently using electric power. But when performance demands increase, hydrogen-powered turbine generators come alive, delivering an estimated 1,800 horsepower. The goal isn't simply to chase another record-breaking top speed. It's about creating enormous performance while imagining a completely different approach to energy and efficiency. And then there's the price, $3.8 million. So where does all that money go? Look beneath the surface. The chassis is built around an aerospace-inspired carbon fiber monocoque, engineered for extreme strength and minimal weight. No conventional steel frame, no unnecessary structural components, just a single, highly engineered architecture designed to become the foundation of the entire vehicle. But perhaps the most expensive feature is what you don't see. There is no badge, no giant emblem, no logo across the hood, no name screaming for attention. They call it the no logo rule. The idea is simple. You aren't paying for a famous badge, you're paying for the technology, the engineering, and the exclusivity behind it. If you need to ask what it is, perhaps you're simply not the intended audience. Shielded electronics, advanced wheels designed for extreme durability, a body engineered to minimize its detectable signature, and absolutely no unnecessary markings. This isn't a car built for someone who wants to be seen. The Ghost isn't a warning aimed at Ferrari, McLaren, or any other performance manufacturer. It's a warning about what could come next. Because the future of luxury may not be louder engines or bigger horsepower numbers. It could be silence. It could be invisible technology. It could be radical geometry and materials that seem to disappear into the darkness. The horsepower era made cars louder. The next era may make them quieter. And
And if the ghost is any indication, the future isn't loud. It's matte black, and it's already gone.